Hey guys, it's Michelle and today I am sharing with you my everyday luxury essentials and I'm just gonna get right into it. We are currently in my beauty room slash office. I call it my glam room, and we are standing in front of my perfumes, and number one on my luxury essentials is fragrance. I absolutely love perfumes. Having people ask you, oh my gosh, you smell so good, what are you wearing? Like that's just so nice. It's so pleasant, and it's just like the little touch to your daily life that really makes a difference. I have all of my perfumes here. I think I have like a decent amount. I'm not like a perfume hoarder, but the act of selecting the perfume you want to wear that day and spritzing it on your skin is a luxury in itself. It's just so fun. So for me, my everyday perfume I absolutely love, this is my favorite, is Diptyque Olean. I love this. It smells like a bed of jasmine flowers. And my newest addition to my collection is from Jo Malone. It is this Jasmine Sambac and Marigold Cologne perfume. Oh my god, it smells so good. Obviously you can tell I absolutely love jasmine, but any perfume that just brightens up your day can really make a difference. I haven't put on perfume today, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose with you guys, and I haven't worn this one in a while. This is from Louis Vuitton. This was actually a gift. It's the rose scent and it smells so good. Yeah, just spritzing on perfume, it's just so lovely in itself. I love perfume so much. All right, so I just want to sit down and chit chat with you guys for the rest of the video. But next step on my everyday luxury essentials is having a wristwatch. I prefer having a wristwatch to check the time versus looking at my phone, constantly digging in my bag for my phone, or if you put your phone in your pocket, going in your pocket, having to look at your phone for the time versus just looking at your wrist and having your watch there. There's a difference. Definitely there is a difference. If you're not a watch person, I totally understand. My sister, she hates having things on her wrist and around her neck. She doesn't like necklaces. She's gotten better with bracelets, but not everyone likes to wear jewelry on their body, so I totally understand. But if you do, having a wristwatch is so much nicer than constantly looking at your phone. It can be any watch that makes you happy. My personal choice for my everyday watch is a Rolex Jubilee Datejust wristwatch. I absolutely love this. It's in two-tone hardware with gold and silver. Definitely, this is a statement piece, but you do not need a Rolex. It can be any watch, any budget. You can get it from the vending machine, you can get it from Target, Nordstrom, whatever works for you. Ralph has a lot of nice watches, but his preferred everyday watch is one that he got from Target. It's a Casio watch and he absolutely loves it. But I just feel like having a wristwatch on makes such a difference, just looking at it. And then if someone comes to you and asks for a time, you just go like this and you can give the time. So yeah, a wristwatch, in my opinion, makes you look and feel more luxurious throughout the day. So now we're gonna move more into home good essentials for everyday luxury. And the first one I wanna talk about is something that you probably never ever think about, but it's drinkware. I personally think having nice drinkware can really make a difference, but it really depends on your style. If you're a household that loves different mugs and shapes, sizes, that's totally up to you. But for me, I personally like more of a hotel sort of feel when you walk into my house. My personal favorite that I typically use on a daily basis is this gorgeous mug from Tiffany's, and you obviously don't need a mug from Tiffany's, but this is my personal favorite. It has peonies, however you like to say it, all over it, and that is my favorite flower. And then it has this gorgeous gold trimming all throughout the mug and even on the handle. I received this as a Christmas gift a couple years back, so it makes it even more special. I received it from a dear friend. So I absolutely love this mug, but like I said, you do not need a mug from Tiffany's. What I do love to have all the time in my house are white mugs, and I personally feel white mugs are a lot cleaner and more sleek and just more uniform. But like I said, it depends on your style. Maybe you don't like uniform and you like to have more of an eclectic feel to your home, totally fine. But for me, I just love having all white mugs that are easily accessible at all times. And for drinking water, I prefer water goblets versus regular cups. Obviously, you can drink water out of any cup. You can drink it from your hands if you want to, but I prefer water goblets. I just like the way it makes you feel like you're at a restaurant, and it looks so much nicer whenever you've set the table and you may have guests over, and it looks much more elegant and a tad more luxurious. So yeah, I definitely prefer using water goblets over regular cups. And for wine glasses, I prefer a wine glass that has a longer, skinnier stem. I feel it makes you look so much more luxurious. Even when you're going in for the drink, it looks so much like more fancy. This shape of the wine glass is also more in a bowl shape. Any wine glass will do, but I do think that having the stem that is much skinnier and a little bit longer does make a difference. Now that we've talked about drinkware, that brings me into my next item. I am talking about coasters. I think in any household you need coasters. You definitely don't want, you know, rings of cups everywhere on your table. So coasters are a definite must, but having nice coasters really does make a difference. So these are marble coasters that I got from West Elm, and they are very, very heavy. They're real marble, and they have a gold coaster holder. So I just love that little detail of the gold. But like I said, these are super heavy. Like if someone were to attack me and I frisbeed this at them, they would probably die. Any coasters will do. You can find coasters anywhere in the world. I love marble coasters, and these are absolutely gorgeous. Every time I look at them, I just feel so happy about them, but they were definitely pricey. So I do have an alternative. These I found on Amazon. These are marble coasters that came in a pack of 6 for I think only like $25 or $30, and I love them. I love marble. It matches the theme of our home. And another set of coasters that I want to show you guys are these clear acrylic ones that I absolutely love. I got these on sale at Z Gallery a couple years back. I think they were only like $15. They were on sale from like a ridiculous, insane amount. I don't even know how much, but I ended up getting them for like $14, $15. And I love these so much. And why I love them is because obviously they look very sleek, and they're in this silver metal holder, but these are so cool. If you live in the US and you live on any of the 4 coasts of the United States, each of these coasters have a different, like a different coast on them. So this one is the West Coast, and it has the edges of what the west coast of the country looks like. Here is the East Coast. It's so cute, and you can see Florida's down here. Here is the Gulf Coast. This is where Texas is. This is where I was born. And then here is the North Coast. So I love these so much, and like I said, it comes in this little silver tray, and I do recommend getting coasters that have a tray you can hold it all together, because coasters do tend up to be, you know, kind of everywhere. So if you have a little tray to bring them all back, it tidies up your home a lot quicker. These last 2 everyday luxury essentials are my absolute favorites. And the first one, I love having fresh flowers in the home. These Ralph brought home from, I don't know where he got them, the other day, and he was just like, I saw these and I thought of you. It was so sweet. I just love having fresh flowers. It makes everything feel more homey and just so nice, so thoughtful. So yeah, having fresh flowers at home is definitely very wonderful. We usually get fresh flowers for the house maybe once a week, but realistically, if you can't do that every week, I have no issues with fake flowers. So if I'm not able to pick up some fresh flowers for the week, I have a few backup fake flowers that I'll set out. So these are just some white ranunculus, and I love ranunculus. And then I also have this as well that I got from Home Goods. So yeah, just having the element of florals in the home can really make a difference. And last but definitely not least are candles. I love candles. I have candles everywhere in the house. I have them lit all day, every day. I just love candles so much. I love diptyque candles. I know those are like the best candles for homes, but I have been into Valespa candles lately. I actually prefer the scent of Valespa candles more. I feel like there's more of a variety. And my current favorite is Apple and Blue Covert. I love this one. I love this one so much. I'm already more than 2/3 down and I definitely need to get a new one. My other favorite right now is the Prosecco Rose. This one is just so pretty. The container itself is so pretty. And I have a couple of mini ones that I just plant around the house, and these are just so cute. They're in these little macaroon looking jars, and after you finish up the candle you can repurpose these jars. Any candle will do, and I just love having candles lit all day, every day around the house. I love the flicker from the flame and of course the scent. Having candles lit around the home is just much warmer, much more inviting, and it's just an everyday luxury essential that I absolutely have to have. Those were all of my everyday luxury essentials for daily life. If you have any of your own personal luxury essentials that you go about in your everyday routine, please let me know. I would love to hear from you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, of course, as always, leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!